Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and if you can't tell by the box, we got a really good friend of ours, the Adidas YEEZY 350. Before we get into the review, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. With that said, let's get into it. So this is the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2, and we got this in the ZYON colorway in a US 8.5, European 42, and a UK size 8. Now, just before I open this, just want to mention that Kanye, if you're watching this, you know, it's okay to ask for help. That's what I want to say in that matter. And if you're going through anything, it's people are there to reach out. Anyways, let's get into it. And here we are. Now, I think that I mean the YEEZY team have run out of colours when it comes to this kind of, when it comes to this silhouette. I mean, how many browns have there been? How many have we seen? But this is a really nice colour. It's like rocky, muddy brown, and there's not much more I can say about it in regards to why it's like this. But the reason why they're called ZYONs is because it's a biblical reference, and that is in regards to Mount Zion. It's spelled differently. This colorway is ZY, the mountain is ZI, like the basketball player Zion, and the really great Lauryn Hill song where she mentions Zion a lot. With that said, let's get into the outsole. So the outsole, we have the normal translucent Adidas like outsole. So you got the like little windows, I would say, where you can see the boost in. Going up along the midsole, it's typical, it looks like Thanos' chin. Going all around the midsole, it's the same material that covers the outsole, obviously it's a rubber. And if we go along the upper, it is all prime knit. You can find this in all Adidas YEEZYs, the boosts and ultra boosts. That's where you can find a lot of the prime knit. It's really nice. I think it's one of the best Adidas's upper materials, if that makes sense. I think it's one of the most comfortable, most versatile. They use it in a lot of their runners. Now, I mentioned boost. Obviously the midsole, the sole is packed with a boost unit. Boost was, at the time, it still is really comfortable, but I think it's fallen off a little bit. YEEZY carries that on, but in regards to like excitement for a boost technology shoe, it only comes around when it comes with YEEZY. Unfortunately, you won't see Ultra Boost getting as much hype as it did in 2015. Carrying away with the Ultra Boost, so let's get into the patterning of this. So it's really nice. If you look at it, it looks a bit different on the toe area, like in regards to the patterning of the stitching, but I can assume it's all the same. It was made in the same factory, so either that's factory fault or it is on purpose. I don't know, but it's like the little things. It reminds me of a really nice earth tone sweater. You can find like maybe a Kuji one. Even though Kuji was more rainbow, but I think this is something like Notorious B.I.G. would have worn. If we go along, there you can see the different gradients of brown, and that is a very dark brown on the stripe there. It's all one sock liner. You have just on the slip on, like where to slip your heel in, you have the fluorescent 3M free stripe. Adidas YEEZY branding in the insole, tubular lacing system, and overall a really cool YEEZY Boost trainer, sneaker, whatever you want to call it. But I think they're running out of ideas in regards to colours. This is a really cool colourway as it was. This was meant to be released back in June. Obviously got pushed because of COVID and like transport and all that jazz, but we're happy to have a pair. I'll tell you about the fit, but just if you want to leave so early, do get your true to size, because that's what you get for Adidas. Can't wait to try this on. Let's do it. Despite this not having a heel, like a pull tab by the heel, it was relatively easy to get on. This acts like a shoehorn, this like little slant where the heel like groove is. Not groove, the slant here. But overall, obviously it's an Adidas Yeezy Boost. I'm expecting great comfort for my underfoot, and it is. Obviously I've got that nice bounceability of the Boost technology right there in the midsole, and the Primeknit, it's cushiony, it's like embracing my feet. Really comfy trainer. If you're lucky to get a pair, well, you're lucky to get a pair of Yeezys without like a hassle, basically. It's quite easy to get Yeezys nowadays, I think.
Hold on. Compare it to like an Air Max.
In regards to like the comfort, comparing it to like an Air Max, I would say if you want like a full foot, underfoot comfort, go with an Adidas Yeezy. Well, a Boost technology shoe really. But they all have, their pros and cons, obviously, like all shoes do. But in regards to fit, get your true Adidas fit. That would usually be a half size up of what you usually wear. So usually I'm a size 7.5, but for Adidas I wear size 8. And that's all I have to say on this. It's really comfy. Let's give you the 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, sorry. Here we go. Peace.